Alright guys, I have a quick video today for you. It is a Clicky Switch tier list, and this one will be fast because there is no good Clicky Switch. MX style. They all suck. No point in using them. The only thing you're gonna do is piss people off around you, or if you stream or watch YouTube or make YouTube videos, all you're gonna hear in the background is clack 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 in the mic. Don't ever use clicky switches. They're shit. They're they're god awful. I don't know how they ever became a thing. Alps clicky switches are nice because they actually sound good and feel good, but MX clicky switches are just an abomination. Don't buy. Goodbye.